Kimmo,
Hi,
and welcome to Slush.
thank you, I'm happy to be here.
Could you please introduce yourself briefly?
Yes, thank you. So my name is Kimmo Rauma. I have been a startup entrepreneur many times and sold my companies to big enterprises, and currently I'm leading the electrification disruption inside Danfoss, which is of course really known of their hydraulic products, and they are disrupted by the electrification, and they have given me the lead to run this part in the Danfoss scale, so I'm really enjoying this area now.
Oh, really fascinating job you have. You were participating in our roundtable discussion today, and we were talking about how should manufacturing leaders and executives prepare themselves for digital transformation. Can you tell us your takeaways? What did you think after the discussion?
Well, thank you. It was a really lively and good discussion. So I think that it was really good that you have gathered the people who have a mindset and opinions. That it was not without opinions, this discussion. And my key takeaways was that all of the manufacturing industries are seeing this. So that's of course one thing. And then that how they see the behavior on the small companies offering these services compared to the traditional SAPs and the big ones, and how many of these are and how to align these together that you get the best out of the both. And I think that this is something that also I need to look a little bit more that have we looked all the different scenarios through, and this was of course probably my key takeaway from that one.
Oh, really cool. You are an experienced leader if you think about disruption and IT and digital solutions. What would be your recommendation for those companies, especially in manufacturing industry, which are planning their digital transformation journey?
Well, my proposal would be, because of course I like a lot of the scenario planning, what was really lately introduced by Risto Siilasmaa in his book, and really good one. I recommend everybody to read that one. But I would recommend that take the scenario, if you do it and you don't do it, what will happen to your company? And then look that what are the different options that where you can be without it. And then when you look on that, I think that it's really clear for everyone that we need to do something, and then you come to the answers that, okay, what we don't know. And then you go and train yourself. And for example, Risto, what he did, he went back to the school and programmed himself to AI.
Yeah.
That he understood really from the basics. Of course, all of us cannot do that, but at least we can go to train ourselves and then start to understand that what are the ways that we are not disrupted and left to the old world.
Really good advice to all of companies in all industries. Thank you, Kimmo. It was a great pleasure.
Thank you for inviting. I'm happy to hear. Hey, thanks.